Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of our Tandoori chicken platter where I'll be cooking Malai chicken for you guys. It's one of my favorite things to order when I go out to eat, so here's my take on Malai chicken for you guys. So I've taken the same 2 pieces of chicken as last episode, and with it I'll be using oil, black pepper powder, coriander leaves and green chilies crushed, ginger and garlic paste, garam masala powder, curd, red chili powder, salt, cream and corn flour. Now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and add about 3 spoons of curd to our chicken. And then I've taken about 2 spoons of coriander leaves and about 3 chilies and I've crushed them together and I've added it to our mixture. Then goes ginger garlic paste, spoon of black pepper powder, spoon of garam masala, a pinch of salt, and then a very tiny pinch of red chili powder. And then I'll add about 2 spoons of cream and 2 small spoons of corn flour. Mix them up all together really nice and it should look something like this. Almost forgot, we should also add a spoon of oil. And mix it up for one last time, and there you go. You have your marination ready. You can marinate it for a minimum of 2 hours. Then we'll take our grilled pan and let it heat. And then we'll take our ghee and add it to our pan and put our chicken and cook it for about minimum of 5 to 6 minutes each side on a medium flame. And there you go with our Malai chicken tandoor. And here comes the end of our part 2. Please stay tuned for our part 3 where I'll be cooking Haryali chicken tandoor, which is, well, you need to watch the video for me to give the whole spill. And if you haven't watched the part 1, I'll leave the link in the description. You can go ahead and check it out.